Parental burnout does not exist in a vacuum. It echoes through the home. The impact includes emotional contagion. Children often absorb the parent's stress, leading to increased anxiety or behavioral outbursts. To recover, we must move away from a big fix and focus on sustainable shifts. In 2026, parental burnout should not be seen as a personal failing. Rather, it is a systemic mismatch between the high demands of modern parenting and the lack of traditional support networks. Welcome to Little Actions with me, Dr. Odi. This is your dedicated space for child health, mental health, and support for Black and ethnic minority families. Please subscribe and engage with our community. In this video, I will discuss the specific stressors for parents and provide a roadmap for recovery. Before we move on, let's explore why parental burnout is happening. The first reason is the shrinking village. There is a continued decline of multi-generational household and free community childcare, leaving parents as the sole providers of all emotional and physical burden. Next, the always-on digital burden. The constant pressure of digital school portals, social media comparisons, and expectation of instant accessibility. And the intensive parenting norm. There is a cultural shift of that demands that parents should be hyper-involved in every aspect of their child's development, turning the stakes very high for parents. Now, how do you know you are burnt out? Burnout has three distinct markers: overwhelming exhaustion, emotional distancing from our children, and the sense of diminished accomplishment. Other features of parental burnout include physical ailments, chronic headaches, digestive issues, or frequent minor illnesses that never seem to clear. Next is the irritability loop, where minor inconveniences trigger disproportionate feelings of rage or despair. There is also cognitive fog, which means parents have difficulty making simple decisions. Burnt-out parents may also experience disrupted sleep. Exhausted all day, they are unable to sleep at night due to a racing mind. Parental burnout does not exist in a vacuum. It echoes through the home. The impact includes emotional contagion. Children often absorb the parent's stress, leading to increased anxiety or behavioral outbursts. There is also decreased responsiveness. A burnt-out parent may miss the subtle beats for connection that are essential for secure attachment. Mirroring exhaustion. Children may stop coming to the parents with problems because they perceive the parent is already at capacity. There is also inconsistent boundaries. When we are so drained, we oscillate between overly rigid and overly permissive, which can feel very unsafe for a child. If you are still here with me, please subscribe and like the video. Thank you for watching so far. Now let's talk about the roadmap to recovery. I'll discuss 3 R's. To recover, we must move away from a big fix and focus on sustainable shifts. The first would be reduce the load. Audit your daily task. Ask, what can I stop doing today that will have zero impact on my child's safety or love? Often is the performative part of parenting. The elaborate snack, the overly organized play dates, the guilt-driven activities. If this isn't essential, it's an exit for you. Next, raise the resources. You don't need a week or an extensive vacation. You need 5 minutes of micro reset every 2 hours. For instance, a cup of tea in silence, some deep breaths before opening the car, or 60-second stretch. These small amounts of deposits would prevent your account from hitting zero. Next, reframe your role. In 2026, shift from being the source of everything to being their secure base. Be present, calm, and regulated. This helps your child feel safe. Remember, mitigating parental burnout is a cultural shift. Involve your village. Create the community around your workplace. Be honest with your community. These burnouts don't disappear overnight. It takes time to heal as you start refocusing on small, sustainable shifts. Your children do not need a perfect parent. They need one that is present and regulated. Start your little actions. One boundary at a time, one rest at a time, and one sustainable shift at a time. See you in my next video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe.